Okay, so let's start today's class. Yes, missing the school. Yes, you are missing the school also. We are missing your noises. So, good afternoon, all of you, and welcome back to the online math class of class 7. I think in previous classes you have done up to question number 4 of exercise number 11.1. Just respond me. Am I right? The perimeter and area is going on in your ma'am's class, and I think up to question number 4 it is done. Exercise number 11.1 from NCERT book, page number 208. So all of you open your book, open your copy, and you also do it with me, okay, in your copy. And if it is possible, you can also send the pic of your copy whenever it is done. I'll check it out if it is possible. Okay. So let's move on to question number 5. First of all, go through the problem. You know all the formulas, the perimeter and area of square and rectangle. Can I tell me once again? Before starting question number 5, respond me through message. Can I repeat it once, the formulas? Okay. So first of all, the square, perimeter of square, that is 4 into length of each side. You may say 4a, okay. If the length of each side is taken as a, so you may write here 4a unit, okay. Number 2, area of square. Can anyone tell me area of square? Can anyone tell me? Actually, you have to type it here. A square, very good. That means length of each side square. Very good. What your name? Anuruddha. Very good. Now I am erasing the board. Okay. Yes. Rick. Very good. A square. That means length of each side square. Now I am erasing the board for the third and fourth formula. Perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. Tell me, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into L plus B. Very good. L is the length and B is the breadth here. And area of rectangle, tell me, area of rectangle. Aditya, very nice. L into B, very good. Where L is the length, B is the breadth. Okay. So now let's move on to question number 5. I am erasing the formulas. I think you all know the formula. So go through. All of you go through. Problem number 5, page number 208, exercise number 11.1. The area of square park is the same as the rectangular park. If the side of each square park is 60 meter, length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So first of all the area of both the square and the rectangle is same here, okay, and also it is given that side of rectangular park. So side of each side of rectangular park sorry, it is Square Park. Okay, east side of Square Park. That is given as 60 meter. You do it in your copy with me. So now tell me area of Square Park. What? Area of Square Park? Area of Square Park, that will be 60 square, isn't it? And it will be square unit, that means meter square, unit will be meter square. So 3600 meter square, isn't it? Type it first. Who are typing, type it first. Yes, very good. And also do it in your copy. So now it is given here the area of the square park is the same as the rectangular park. That means we can conclude here area of rectangular park, that is also 3600 meter square. Okay. Now it is given that the length is 90 and the breadth is not given. So I am erasing it. According to the condition L into B, that will be 3600. Now the L is given here. L is here, L equals to here, L equals to 90 meter, that is given to you. Okay. Yes, so 90 into B equals to 3600. So B equals to 3600 by 90. I am erasing this portion. So after cancelling, it will be 40 meter. So now you have to write the answer. Yes, very good. Aditya, Priyanshu, that is Saptarshi, very good. This one, Adrita, Anuruddha, Rik, very good. So just write the answer. Therefore, breadth of the rectangular park equals to 40 meter. Okay. Is it all right? Is it all right? Any queries, any question? Anyone? Respond. Who are doing the class? Almost 14 students doing the class. So respond, all of you. Not that 2 or 3 students who are doing the class, all respond. Okay. Very good. So move on to the next one. Question number 6. I am erasing this one. Move on to question number 6. First of all, go through it. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So wire is in rectangular shape. L, here L equals to 40 centimeter, that is given to you, and the breadth equals to B equals to 22 centimeter, that is also given to you. This is the shape of the rectangular wire. Okay. So first of all, you have to find the perimeter, because here the same wire will be rebounded into a square. Okay. The rectangular will be converted into a square. That means the perimeter of the rectangle and the perimeter of the square both are same. So first of all, find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 40 plus 22 centimeter. That means 2 into 62. That means 124 centimeter, isn't it? The perimeter of the rectangle. Yes. So now the perimeter of the square will be again. Therefore, the perimeter of square will be again 124 centimeter. Both are same. Now find the each side. Each side be A. I am erasing this one. Let each side be A. Let each side of square be A centimeter. Therefore, according to the condition, you may write here 4A equals to 1 to 4. So, equals to 1 to 4 by 4. So, after cancelling, it will be 31 centimeter. Isn't it? Isn't it? Just do the calculation. Yes. All of you are correct who are giving the answer. Very good. Now you have to find the area for both the rectangle and the square. So first of all, area of the rectangle. I am again erasing this portion. So area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. That is L into B. So L means 40 into 22. So 880 centimeter square. Obviously square unit. And also the area of the square. That is 31 square. That is 31 into 31. You just do the calculation. 31 to 31, do the calculation. I am waiting for your response. (961 centimeter square). So which is more? Square shaped area enclose more area. Square shaped where encloses more area. Okay. Two different words here given. One is rectangular shaped, one is the square shaped. Therefore, just write the answer. Square shaped where encloses more area. Okay, is it done? Is it all right? Is it all right? We are facing some technical problems. Can you see me? Am I audible and visible to you? So coming back to the class, there are some technical problems occurred. Can you see me? Am I audible and visible to you? Okay, so the square shaped wire encloses more area. Now moving on to the question number 7. Moving on to question number 7. Moving on to question number 7. The perimeter of the rectangle is 130 centimeter. Perimeter, that is 130 centimeter. The length, you are asked to find the length here. The breadth is given B. B equals to 30 centimeter. L question mark. L is the unknown here. Okay. So we know that 2 into L plus B equals to 130, isn't it? Isn't it? From the formula, 2 into length plus breadth equal to 130. So L plus B equals to 130 by 2. Whenever 2 moves to RHS, it will be in the denominator. So it will divide 130. So after cancelling, it will give you 65. Now putting the value of B, L plus 30 equals to 65. So L means 65 minus 30. Whenever 30 moves to RHS, it will be minus 30. So that means it will give you 35 centimeter. The length will be 35 centimeter. Isn't it? Isn't it? You just do it in your copy. The length will be 35 centimeter. Now here also find the area of the rectangle. Also find the area of the rectangle. I am erasing this portion. Therefore the area of rectangle, that will be L into B. So 35 into 30 centimeter square. Is it 1050 centimeter square? You just do it, do the calculation. Yes, very good. Saptarshi, you are correct. You are right. So with this, for today time is over. So you have done up to question number 7 here. Question number 8 is left for you. Try to do it at your home. Okay. Try to do it at your home. Now just type your name one by one before leaving the class, leaving the call. Type your name with P for taking the attendance. Okay. Type your name with P for taking the attendance. So thank you all of you for doing the class. Next day, I hope we'll meet. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.